15 reasons having business credit is a must for every successful company, and how not having it will cost you. Business credit is credit in a business name linked to the business's employment identification number. This is credit for a business. It's not linked to the owner personally. It's also not linked to their personal Social Security number. Using business credit, a business owner can get vendor credit cards, high-limit accounts with most major retailers, fleet credit, and cash credit, including Visa and MasterCard. Get approved for business credit accounts regardless of personal credit quality. When you build business credit the right way, there is no Social Security number supplied on the application. With no SSN supplied, there is no personal credit pool. Because of this, a business owner can get high-limit business credit accounts. This is regardless of personal credit, no matter how bad it may be. Personal credit quality does not matter. Reason number 4. Anyone can see business credit reports. With consumer credit, someone has to have the consumer's permission to pull credit scores. This is required under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. It requires that someone have a permissible purpose to pull personal credit. If someone pulls personal credit without permission, they can pay a $1,000 fine or more. With consumer credit, only certain organizations can even access credit reports. Banks, auto dealers, mortgage brokers, and others licensed to lend money. With business credit, this information is made public. This means anyone who wants business credit reports can easily and cheaply get them. Reason number 5. Business credit reports are public. Here are some of the people who can see business credit reports as they wish whenever they want. Prospects, customers, suppliers, others you might do business with, competitors, and anyone else who wants it. Here is some of the information they can easily see about a business. Amount of trade lines, past payment performance, credit scores, high credit limits, employees, revenue, and much more is available to anyone who wants it. All that's needed to pull an established credit report is the business name. If a company isn't well established, a business address is needed. With only a business name and address and with no need for permission, anyone can pull business credit reports. Keep monitoring reports regularly to see what others can see about you. Keep building your business credit. That way, you can have a credible image portrayed for anyone who wants to see your credit in the future, especially those who lend money or issue credit. Let's recap. There are a lot of reasons business credit can help any business. It's independent of personal credit, so using it doesn't affect utilization rate. It can be built quickly. Since anyone can see business credit reports, building business credit bolsters your reputation with suppliers, customers, and even competitors. Business credit protects your personal assets and doesn't require personal guarantees. Business credit increases the value of a business, and it determines loan approval and quality. It effectively doubles your borrowing ability and has very high limits. Even startups can get it with no financials or collateral. It is a huge competitive advantage and is the best way to fund a business. Big established companies use it. Why shouldn't you? Build business credit before you really need it, and it can only help you. Contact us today to learn more about 15 reasons having business credit is a must for every successful company, and how not having it will cost you.